So first up today is this FN2 Civic in for a remap on the Ecutek software. The guys are filling in some forms whilst looking around the EG Civic, because that's what everybody does. So this one will get up on the dyno, do some health checks, do some power runs, and get tuned in with the Ecutek software. Okay, so today's first map is up on the dyno. So as I say, normally we're going to do a standard power run, do some basic health checks, make sure everything's where it needs to be, see what that figure is. If it's all healthy, we'll plug in the Ecutek software and we'll get map-a-lapping on the standard ECU. Okay, so standard power run done. It made exactly on the nose 200 brake horsepower. Now we've installed the Ecutek software and we've got the ability to data log and map and fine tune. So load up a race ROM and get cracking. So here's the here we go with some footage of us on the dyno. Just before we go any further, we've got a little induction kit in here that you can see, and we've also got a catback exhaust on this motor. So still quite restrictive, but definitely gains to be had in the mid-range so far. Good job! Well, that's this lightly modified FN2 Civic completed, as you can see. Blue line is what we've done today, red line is as we've started. We've made gains in the mid-range of about 25 brake horsepower. We're up right across the board. And we've gained an extra 16 wheel horsepower, which isn't bad. And this ends on 209 brake horsepower. Fantastic result. Nice car. Lots more mods to come, I'm sure. Hey, get down from up there, you'll fall.
I'm trying to find a bit of rope.
A bit of rope?
Yeah.
No rope. I told you. You got to kill me first if you're thinking of doing that.
Ratchet strap. I think that one.
Right, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
You will indeed.
The next one that we're going to do in approximately
About
5 minutes.
About 5 minutes, yeah.
Yeah. See you later, guys.
Life moves pretty fast.